Hi, this is Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll work on the first C++ program. So I will explain you each and every step to write the program, so it will be easy for you to remember the steps and develop your logic according to your requirements. The first step is create first program.cpp file. You can give any name to that CPP file. The CPP is an extension of C++. Now let's create a CPP file where we can write the code. Click on these three lines or menu, file, again within a file, click on new file. Write down the name of your program. I have given a name here is a first program. You can give any name as per your requirement or the functionality. Once you give the name to this file, just click on enter. So it will open this screen. Here you can see the path of the folders where I'm going to save this C++ file. So first program.cpp. CPP is an extension and now create a file. You can see here the first program.cpp has been created within this particular folder. The path is shown here. So we have cleared the first step. Now we'll come to the second step. The second step is comment the program. Comment is only for the developer's purpose and it will give you the idea of the functionality of a program, and the number of comments you write in your program all will be ignored by the compiler. Compiler will not execute those comments, so you can write as per your requirements. So what I will write here is this is my first program, right? So this comment will be just for the developer purpose and will be completely ignored by the compiler. Third step is hash include IOStream. What is hash include? Hash include is a preprocessor directive. So preprocessor directive is used for processing the code before the compilation by the compiler. These preprocessor directives are the special commands that are used to direct the preprocessor. IOStream is an header file and we include this header file in our program using this hash include preprocessor. This IOStream header file contains the operations related to input and output functionality. So we'll include that. Hash include within this bracket IOStream. So this is done. Now we have to write the main function. Int main. So we'll try to understand what is this main. The main function is an important function in our programs, and the operating system or the C++ framework will call this main function, and this is the starting point of execution of our program. If you are not written the main function, you will not be able to compile it. And always remember that the code of a main function will be included within the curly brackets, and int is a return type of this function. So we'll understand what we are going to return over here. Now we'll display hello world. Cout is a function which is part of this IOStream header file, and this help us to display the text whichever we are writing in front of this operator or this less than sign. This less than sign is stream insertion operator. So this helps to insert this text into the cout and which will be displayed on the screen. Each and every statement should end with the semicolon. Yes, each and every statement in C++ should end with the semicolon as given over here. You may say that we have not given a semicolon at the end of main or at the end of IOStream. We don't require to give the semicolon after in hash include IOStream and the int main function. If we give the semicolon over here, compiler gives error expected a declaration. So you are not supposed to give the semicolon over here. So within this, whatever it may be the statements you write any variable, you write any out statement, you write calculation values. For example, a is an variable type of int. If you write b is equals to 90, you have to give the semicolon. Now for example, if you say int c is equals to a plus b, you have to give the semicolon. Means after each and every statement, just give the semicolons. So what are the variables, we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. So now we are clear with this. The last step is to return 0. As I have told you that this is a function and this is a return type of this function. Means what, for now we will return 0. Returning 0 means the execution of your program is successful, and if we return 1, it means there is an error in the execution of program. What are the functions, like main function, what is the return type, and what we are returning, we will discuss more in the functions topic. This is our program, which is very simple, straightforward. Now you can click on this icon and click on this run. So please select this g++.exe, which we have done the settings in our previous video, that is the installation of C++. So this will compile and run your program. So you can see the compilation has been started. Within in this terminal, it will show you the text, whatever it may be you want to display on the console. So hello world, which was written over here, is displayed over here. You can see the problems, if runtime errors, which will be displayed over here. If you want to change this text, you can change. This is my first program. Control S to save the program and again run this. See, now the text will be, this is my first program. So whatever you write in this cout statement will be displayed on the console. It's very simple. If you have any queries, let me know. I will help you out. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe it. Thank you.